Hey guys, what's up? I've got to tell you, starting a YouTube channel in 2024 is easier than ever. And trust me, I've been in this game for a while now. You know, when I first started out, we didn't have all these fancy AI tools and user-friendly editing software. But now, it's like YouTube is handing out shovels and saying, here's your chance to strike gold. Speaking of which, let's talk about why you should jump on this bandwagon right now. First off, the opportunities for content creators are insane. I mean, people are making full-time incomes just by talking about their passions. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard or have a Hollywood budget to get started. Heck, you can start with just your smartphone. But the sooner you start, the better. Why? Because while it's easier than ever to start, it's also more competitive. Alright, let's get into it. First things first, you need to set up your YouTube channel. It's pretty straightforward, but there are a few key things to keep in mind. You'll want to create a Google account if you don't already have one. This is crucial because it's not just for accessing YouTube, but also for setting up your AdSense account later on. Now, when you're setting up your channel, think carefully about your niche. What are you passionate about? What can you talk about for hours without getting bored? For me, it's tech, but for you, it could be anything from cooking to car restoration. Once you've got your niche, it's time to start creating content. And here's where a lot of people get stuck. They think they need fancy equipment or a professional studio, but let me tell you a secret, you don't. Many successful YouTubers, myself included, started with just a smartphone. I mean, have you seen the quality of phone cameras these days? They're insane. If you want to step it up a notch, something like a GoPro Hero 10 can give you that extra edge, especially for action shots or vlogs. But remember, content is king. Your audience is here for you and your ideas, not for Hollywood-level production. Now that you've got the basics down, let's talk about leveling up your content game. This is where the magic happens, folks. First up, let's talk about video editing. In video, AI is like having a professional editor in your pocket. It can help you create intros, add transitions, and even automate some of the more tedious editing tasks. And the best part? It's powered by AI, so it's constantly learning and improving. As for Clipchamp, it's super user-friendly. You can trim your footage, add music, enhance your visuals, all with just a few clicks. And here's a pro tip. Use ChatGPT to help you come up with catchy titles and write engaging descriptions. It's like having a brainstorming partner that never gets tired. Now let's talk about equipment. Like I said before, you can start with just your phone. But if you want to upgrade, consider investing in a decent microphone. Audio quality can make or break a video, trust me. And if you're doing sit-down videos, a simple ring light can make a world of difference. Alright, we're in the home stretch now. You've got your channel set up, you're creating awesome content. Now let's talk about growth. First up, YouTube SEO. Yeah, it's a thing, and it's super important. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags, but don't just stuff them in there. Make sure they flow naturally. Next, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, maybe even do a Quanda video. Building a community around your channel is crucial for long-term success. Now let's talk about a real-world example. Take the channel 88 Mustang GT. These guys are killing it right now. Their latest video about barn restoration is averaging over 2,000 views in just 3 days. And get this, they've gained close to 1,000 new subscribers since yesterday. That's insane growth. And you know what? They're doing exactly what we've been talking about. They're consistent, they're engaging with their audience, and they're creating content people want to see. Now once you hit that magic 1,000 subscriber mark and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This is where you can start monetizing your videos through ads. But don't stop there. As your channel grows, look into other revenue streams like sponsorships, merchandise, or Patreon. And there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know to start and grow your YouTube channel in 2024. Remember, the most important step is just getting started. Don't let perfectionism hold you back. Your first videos probably won't be your best, and that's okay. We all start somewhere. The key is to keep creating, keep learning, and keep improving. Use tools like InVideo AI and Clipchamp to make your editing process smoother. Leverage ChatGPT to help with your creative process. And most importantly, be authentic and have fun with it. Your passion will shine through in your videos, and that's what will attract and retain your audience. Who knows, maybe a year from now, I'll be using your channel as an example of explosive growth. So what are you waiting for? Grab that phone, hit record, and start your YouTube journey today. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And hey, drop a comment letting me know what kind of content you're planning to create. I'd love to check out your channels. Until next time, this is JWP signing off.